11th species in genus Tsuga. The hemlock's grace, a conifer's tale by Ferb. The wind whispers through the branches of the hemlock, a soft sigh that carries the scent of pine needles and damp earth. I've always been drawn to these majestic trees, their stoic presence a comforting constant in a world of change. The genus Tsuga, commonly known as hemlock, encompasses a group of coniferous evergreens that have captivated me with their understated beauty and ecological significance. A diverse family of evergreens. Hemlocks are members of the Pinaceae family, closely related to pines, firs, and spruces. They are distinguished by their graceful, drooping branches, feathery foliage, and small, woody cones. Though often associated with North America, Tsuga species can also be found in Eastern and Central Asia. Here are Eastern hemlock, Tsuga canadensis, perhaps the most well-known species. The eastern hemlock graces the forests of eastern North America. Its dense foliage provides critical habitat for a variety of wildlife, and its wood has been historically valued for construction and pulpwood. Western hemlock, Tsuga heterophylla, a giant of the Pacific Northwest. The western hemlock can reach towering heights, dominating the old-growth forests. Its strong, durable wood is prized in the timber industry. Mountain hemlock, Tsuga mertentiana. This hardy species thrives in the high-altitude regions of western North America. Its ability to withstand harsh conditions makes it a symbol of resilience. Plant FAQs. Tsuga mertentiana, mountain hemlock. Southern Japanese hemlock, Tsuga seiboldii, native to Japan. This species is known for its ornamental beauty and is often cultivated in gardens and parks. Himalayan hemlock, Tsuga demosa, found in the Himalayan mountains. This species plays a crucial role in the region's ecosystem, providing habitat and watershed protection. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The hemlock's significance. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, hemlocks play a vital role in their respective ecosystems. Their dense canopies provide shade and shelter for a wide range of plants and animals. Fallen needles create a rich, acidic soil that supports unique plant communities. Hemlocks also help regulate water cycles, preventing erosion and maintaining healthy watersheds. Sadly, hemlock populations are facing growing threats. The hemlock woolly adelgid, an invasive insect, has decimated stands of eastern hemlock in North America. Climate change, with its associated droughts and temperature extremes, further stresses these trees. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore hemlock forests, recognizing their importance for biodiversity and ecosystem health. A personal connection. My fascination with hemlock stems from a childhood spent exploring the forests of the Pacific Northwest. I remember gazing up at the towering western hemlocks, their trunks disappearing into the canopy above. The air was always cool and damp beneath their shade, and the forest floor was a tapestry of ferns and mosses. Even today, the sight of a hemlock evokes a sense of tranquility and wonder. Their resilience in the face of adversity, their quiet strength, and their contribution to the natural world serve as an inspiration. As I continue to learn about these remarkable trees, I am reminded of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of nature. The hemlock stands tall, a testament to the enduring power of the natural world. It is a symbol of resilience, beauty, and the intricate web of life that connects us all.